Good morning everyone. uh, with this video I intend to create make awareness about quality concepts, and with this start I will start with 7 quality tools, which is the very which is a very basic concept. And if you are an aspirant of quality management or you are into quality department, you must be using these tools. But with this I will try to give you a practical understanding of how what these tools are and how you can apply it. Apologies. So there are 7 quality tools. uh, the first one being check sheet, the second one is flowchart, third one is Pareto chart, and fourth one is fishbone, fifth is scatter diagram, control chart is the sixth, and the seventh one is the histogram. So the ordering could be different, but these are the 7 basic quality tools that generally we use. uh, Check sheet we use to record uh, data for the further analysis. Flow chart is basically used for process mapping or process visualization. There are certain boxes which gives different meaning and messages, so we use different kind of boxes to visualize our process. We use Pareto chart to see what are the factors which are impacting most of the time, or which are generally 80% of the times impacting, or maybe we can call it that which are causing 80% of the problems. All right. So this is generally we call it based on 80/20 rule. So it is used to prioritize where we can focus more, and through focusing those critical factors we can reduce our 80% of the issues, or maybe we can say we can solve 80% of the problems. uh, Through fishbone we can do root cause analysis. We can list down all the causes, and then we can again drill it through the root causes. There are major categories uh, which we say man, machine, material, method, and mother nature. All right. So that is fishbone for us. Scatter diagram is generally used to show relationship between two variables. For example, we have AHT as in one variable and tenure as in the second variable. We can see how tenure is impacting our AHT, whether a reduction in our tenure or the increase in our tenure is having any impact on the AHT, uh, whether my AHT is increasing or decreasing with the tenure, right? So we can use scatter diagram to see that relationship. Control chart is a time series chart which we can use to measure or see our performance over a period of time. So that is generally used to see if there is any special cause variation or a common cause variation. So there are two types of variation. I'll explain it further when I create a video specifically on each of these tools. Histogram is a data distribution, a tool which shows us data distribution or the frequency distribution of our data. Let's suppose you have data of AHT, then you can plot it on histogram, and you can see where your whether your data is normally distributed, or is there any skewness in your data, or what is the spread of your data, how spread is your data. So histogram is generally used for continuous variables, right? So that is all for now. Thank you so much for viewing this channel.